Immersive observation of Siemens DN630 multi-angle hot melt welding machine achieves an automated process through program control. This is the full view of the equipment, including the console, fixtures, work table, milling cutter, heating plate, and controller. Step 1. Power on. Step 2. Advance the milling cutter. Step 3. Close the machine frame. Step 4. Perform milling on the pipe. Step 5. After milling is completed, open the machine frame and retract the milling cutter node. The chip thickness should be controlled between 0.5 and 1.0 millimeters. Step 6. Check the alignment of the pipe's node. The mismatch gap at both pipe ends should not exceed 10% of the wall thickness. Step 7. Advance the heating plate. Step 8. Close the machine frame and heat the pipe node. Heating time and temperature should be reasonably set according to the pipe material, thickness, and weather conditions. Be patient and do not manually turn off the heating prematurely. Step 9. Open the machine frame and retract the heating plate. Step 10. Perform pipe welding. Then subsequent pressure can be applied as needed during this process. Every precise parameter setting and every standardized operating step will directly affect the long-term, safe, and stable operation of the piping system. For more pipeline welding operation steps, please follow Siemens Freedom.